right? Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a cool song. It's Halloween and Rocky Horror Picture Show. Time Warp. Okay, Time Warp has basically three different parts. We're in standard tuning. The verses are A major. The song is in A. 1, 2, 3, let's go. A major. We got B. 2, 4, 4. We don't have to bar it. We can play it open like that. We got G major. 1, 2, 3, and we got D major. And then we got the chorus. It's F major. 1, 2, 3, 4. However you want to play F, like that or like this. It's F, C. 1, 2, 3. G, D. So it starts with the verse, kind of muted. A to B, G, little tuning. It's getting cold out. There it is. Okay, so A, B, G, D, A. A to B, G, D, A. One more time, come on. A, B, here, after the B we go F, C, G, T, and A. F, C, G, T, and A. And that's when they break after the first verse and chorus, step to the right. So we break on A and then we're gonna hit E major. Back to A. Break again. E. And D. And back to chorus. 2 times. Verse. A, B, and G. A, B. Okay, let's do chorus. And we have one more part towards the end before the last chorus when the chick starts singing and she just sings over A. To D. And then chorus. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Ah, sorry. Yeah, time warp. Cool. So yeah, let's go over the parts really quick before we end the lesson. Main verse A, B, G, D. And then the time warp part F, C, G, D. F, C, G, D. And then the breaks in A, E, E, A. Breaks again to E, A, and then D. And then it ends with the chorus. Cool. And the strumming. Cool. Thanks, folks. See you tomorrow with more cool songs. Thank you for tuning in.